Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We're doing another ElixirJam episode. This one's gonna be about comparisons. So let's jump right into it. It's gonna be short and quick. So in all programming languages, we have these things called operators, and some of them are used to compare two different values. Let me show you an example. One, and if we're pretty sure we've all done basic math. So we have the greater than sign. 1 is greater than 0. 9 is less than 23. And we also have a not equal operator. We can be like 1 is not equal. And remember, we went through this before. The symbol for not is an exclamation mark, and you can put the equal sign next to it for not equal. And 0, which is true. So 1 is not equal to 0. We also have 2, and we can say equal equals 1 and check if something is the same. Two things are the same. It can be like that. So 2 equals 2. So yeah, there we go. False for that. And we also have, let's say we have 3 and lesser than or equal to, so we can also use these two signs in conjunction. 5, which is true, and we can also do it the other way around. 9 is greater than or equal to 5, and there we go. And one more, there's also one more. We can do this. Let's say 2, just for an example, 2 is equal to 2. We already knew that much, but we can also compare between floats and integers. So 2 equal 2.0, which is also true. However, if we want both type and value comparisons, then what we can do is this: 2 equals 2.0, and there we have a false. So the 3 equal signs is for strict comparisons, and double equals for less strict comparisons. But yeah, so that's it for today, guys. Next time we're gonna do string interpolations. I want to do an entire video dedicated to that because it's a pretty important one that I believe you'll be pretty much using all the time. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified as soon as I post the next video. I'll be posting one every day for about the next week and a half, so to keep you guys as engaged as possible. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.